today this video is going to be about a random haul, and I have some products here. So let's get started with the video. First thing I got are these two anti-hair fall cream by Himalaya. I got two of them from a store and I haven't used them yet, so I will try this product. The next product I have here is a small purse, and I got this from a store, from a store too, and look how pretty it looks. Okay, so the next things I have here are two small baskets, and one is in pink and one is in blue color, and I got this to like store my makeup and everything. So the next product I have here is a makeup sponge, and I got this one from a store too, and I bought this one because I needed one. The next thing I have bought is fairy lights, and if you haven't watched my previous videos, you will know that I used these fairy lights for the video. This also I got from a store. Okay, next product I have here is a contour palette, and its box is ruined, but that's okay. So this is a contour palette from Mars, and these are the contour shades I have here, and here it's a full size mirror, so it's very good. And I got this one too from a random store. So the next thing I have here are these three combos, and I got this from Club Factory from for before a long time ago. I think I bought them before the lockdown, I think so. So I got them that time. So you get a earring set, a bracelet, and a pendant, and the earrings looks like this. And this I have worn this pendant many times, so the color is like faded, it's almost black, and it's this bracelet which I wore in my previous videos. So I think I got them for like almost 200, I mean all three of them for 200. So but now the Club Factory is, I think, banned, so we couldn't buy anything from there. Okay, the next product I have here is this I think it's the cutlery stand, but I got this to like store my makeup, because as makeup, as in I bought this to like store my lipsticks because I have way more lipsticks. So this also I got from a random store. Okay, the next product I have here is this eyebrow and face razor, and I have got three of them, and it's from my store Agima's Lifestyle. If you want to know the prices of any product, you all can DM me on my Instagram store. You all can DM me on Agima's Lifestyle. So these are the eyebrow face razors I got. Then the next thing I got is also from Agima's Lifestyle, and it's this pretty pearl necklace, Let me show you guys. Look, it's very pretty. I could wear this on this too. Look how pretty it looks on me. So it's a thumbs up product for me. Not just because it's from my store, but it's a good quality product. The next product I have here are razors. These are body razors, and I have got like 4 packs, and in each packs you get 6 pieces. So there are a total of 24 pieces I have here. So this is also from Agima's Lifestyle. And the next product I have here is like a bracelet. I also bought this from Agima's Lifestyle. And if you order one of these bracelets, you get 2 free. So I got this one. I got this one bracelet and I got 2 pieces free with it. So it's a deal. I mean, it's a steal deal thing. And I got one more bracelet free, which is the same. And I got another one. I wouldn't call this a bracelet, I would rather call it an anklet, but you all can use it in both ways. So I got this pretty anklet slash bracelet, and they are of nice quality. So if you all want to buy any of these products from Agima's Lifestyle, please DM me there for prices and orders. So, and please don't forget to follow me on my Instagram store, Agima's Lifestyle, and I will give my Instagram store details. I will link and all the details in the description box below. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like and share my video. Please don't forget to press the bell icon so that you all will get notified every time I post a new video. That's it guys. See you soon. Bye.